What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We got a great video for you guys today. We're going to talk about if renting vehicles makes sense for rideshare driving. Before we jump into this video, I wanted to shout out our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a phenomenal app that gets you guaranteed earnings. You get $15 just for signing up. It is jam-packed full of features. I think it's the best app out there, hands down, for Uber and Lyft drivers. And on top of it, the average solo driver makes an extra $5,000 a year. So this is good earnings. Getting those guarantees each day is going to be huge. This is something people have begged Uber and Lyft for years, and they've never really delivered, but Solo did. So make sure you check that out, guys. Linked in the description below, and let's talk about it. So I believe Lyft just got rid of their rental program, but there's going to be more stuff out there. That's the reality. Now, here's what I saw. I actually did Lyft's express rental program. I never did Uber's, but they're basically the same. And this, to me, was like borderline a scam. I couldn't believe it, but the amount of, basically how they do it is you have a base price each week, and you can pay it off in essentially rides given, with the money you make. So the one thing that was really frustrating is as I made money, I wasn't able to cash out until I had gotten the rental covered. The problem was they gave you bonuses to basically bring the rental price down throughout the week. So if you gave like a massive amount of rides, I think it was like 60 or something, that rental price would go down, but it was still pricey enough to where it would cut into your earnings significantly. My thing was, there was some trade-off technically because it's not your vehicle, so you're not dealing with the wear and tear, and obviously you can go and essentially get your maintenance taken care of on the house. But at the end of the day, the amount of driving you had to do to really make it make sense, I was pushing 60-hour weeks just to make the rental always make sense. Maybe in a better market that wouldn't have been the case, but the thing that I would say, guys, is what you're going to get is you're going to get a pretty standard vehicle. I drove a Kia Soul and a Corolla. They're stripped of any legitimate features. So even though they're like, oh, it's a 2021 or like a relatively new car, it's got no bells and whistles. It's usually not the most enjoyable car to drive. And I just think at the end of the day, like, people are trying to do things like this to dig themselves out of a hole because something happened with their car. What I'm going to tell you is there are much better options of rebounding back so that you can buy your own vehicle again. So in my opinion, guys, the rentals will never make sense. I'm not an optimist about these at all. If you've had a different experience, let us know in the comments below. But I would stay far away from it and avoid it at all costs if you can. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo, linked in the description below. Get your free $15 just for linking your account. And I will talk to you guys soon.